Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled gherkins at home. First, gather your ingredients: fresh gherkins, white vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your favorite spices like dill, garlic, and mustard seeds. Next, wash the gherkins well and trim off the blossom and stem ends. This helps them absorb the brine better. Finally, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water to ensure a safe and long-lasting pickle. Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts white vinegar and water, along with 2 tablespoons of pickling salt per 4 cups of liquid. Add your chosen spices. A classic mix includes 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, and a sprig of fresh dill per jar. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. This hot brine is crucial for proper pickling. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the gherkins. Carefully place the washed and trimmed gherkins into your hot, sterilized jars, packing them as tightly as possible without crushing them. Then, pour the hot brine over the gherkins, making sure to leave 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim of the jar. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids, and screw on the bands finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars from the water bath and let them cool undisturbed on a towel-lined counter for a full 24 hours. You should hear the lids pop, indicating a proper seal. Once cooled, check the seals. If any lid doesn't depress, refrigerate that jar and consume it first. Store your perfectly pickled gherkins in a cool, dark place for at least 2 to 3 weeks before enjoying them for the best flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book on money, plus other deals you might enjoy. These homemade pickles will be a delicious addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.